Y lo que hice para hacer este certificado fue que vinieron personas a enseñarnos a cómo usar el forklift, nos dieron las medidas de seguridad, cuáles son las reglas y al final tomamos un examen. Eso se mira muy bien en un resumen. Puedes conseguir tal vez fácilmente trabajo porque pues simplemente con tener el certificado ya es como una ganancia, ¿no? Ya es como algo que sabes y te puede ayudar en el futuro.
We are doing a lot of certifications here in this program, and it teaches us about our future into the trades and our experiences, and we get to learn about all different things and build. And we get experience in electrician, drywall, painting, flooring, roofing, which really prepares you for your future and helps you find a career once we're out of here. It's very beneficial. You get all sort of certifications, sets you up for your future life, and it helps you find what brings you here and like your passion, whatever you want to join, whatever trade. We get forklift certification, flagging certification, we get CPR certification, we get OSHA 10, OSHA 30, we get fall protection certification. A part of that, also being in this state recognized pre-apprenticeship also brings you out a lot, gives you a much more big opportunity to get into a job. Currently, most jobs are like a long wait list, but with this state recognized pre-apprenticeship, you are guaranteed to pass faster in that wait list and you get a job. And we have much more certifications during this few months, so there's much more that we still look for.